Here's an update on my pots at the front door. The snow's gone and you can see the pansies survived, and now I've started taking some of the pansies out and adding some things for spring. So I've got a fuchsia, and you can see there's a bud on it there, and I've added some fern because these pots face north, so we don't get a lot of sun on this end, and ferns do really well here. And I've added this little fella called a peekaboo, and its other name is, you see that? Spilanthes. I just love this plant because it comes in and out, pops in and out between all the other ones. So on the bottom pot, I've done the same thing. You can see I've added some fern. This is a beautiful, and my pansies and an ivy, and also this great grass on it, which is just spectacular as it grows. Okay, so this is just after the long weekend in May, or just the long weekend in May. Looking good.